No, is it left or right? Let me see. On the left panel, you hear me?
Yes.
On the left panel,
Mm-hmm.
okay, on the left panel, you're going to click. Actually, let me just open my screen so I can see it with you. I'm so dumb. Why didn't I think of that in the first place? GPT, 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 GPT. Do this one. No, API reference, that one. Bam. Okay. Open AI. Okay, so you go to the side, you click on Explore GPTs, you go to the top on Create, and then you have the thing where it says, okay, so do you see it on the left side where it says it has a tab where it says Create and Configure?
Yeah.
Go to Create, type in Create, or not type in, but click on the Create tab, and then it'll say like, hello, blah blah blah. So go ahead and tell it, like, let's start. Actually, let's take a step back. What we're creating, what, the Ben Dead AI, right?
I don't know about all that yet. I
Bro,
need
we
to
talked about it yesterday, so let's just stick to
I need
the.
to get acclimated on everything else I'm trying to think about. What do
That's
you mean the
fun.
been dead
This is,
that?
bro. All of this is a scrimmage at a fucking, um, at a, you know what I'm saying. This is just like a nice, a little scrimmage at the elementary school behind the, behind the gym. You know what I'm saying? At the gym, at the fucking playground at the elementary school. Like, this isn't crazy. You know what I'm saying? You can't be like, oh man, I don't know, bro. It's just like a little scrimmage. Like, nobody's recording, nobody's watching. Like, it's all good. This is just a demo. You can delete it and goodbye after that. So let's just take a step back. Yesterday we talked about creating the Ben Dead app, right?
Okay, all right.
So let's play around with that. Okay. So tell the AI, say, I want to make a Ben Dead AI. This will be a lifestyle app where, you open it up and you just start making money. So that's what I'm talking. That, can you type that out? Can you tell it? Can you tell the create that?
All right.
But I need to see your screen.
All right. Let me close out all of this pegging porn, pregnant porn. My bad. Whew. Whew. I have got a problem, don't I? All right, it's impossible. You can't see my screen.
What? What?
It's impossible.
Just show me the camera. I only got like I only got like 30 more seconds of patience for this. Come on, man.
What do you mean?
I'm trying to walk you through creating a GPT, bro.
What is share play? Are you pressing share play?
Here, hold on. I'm gonna shoe myself. Come on. All right, let me see.
Bro, I'm trying to say I can't
No, just like literally
access
turn your
this from
camera.
my computer.
Just like turn the camera. There you go. That's it. Oh my God, technology is amazing. Isn't that crazy? All right, so just start typing in. I want to make Ben Dead app, the Ben Dead AI.
Hold
Just
on, man.
moving too slow.
Nah, I got some other shit too. I got going on.
That's what I'm saying. I got some other shit too. I got an interview in 2 hours.
I need like a better name, bro.
Then just type it in and tell it you need a better name. Literally tell it that. Like everything you're telling me, you need to tell the AI. Like I swear to God, you're telling the wrong person. I mean, you're telling a good person, honestly. I might be better than the AI.
Nah, but I had that shit broken down into other brainstorm things. So I'm just saying this to you before I implement it into the script I'm gonna ask it to start off with. Like the core pillars, like all right, I want to have like inspiration and motivation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Skill development and learning, but like I don't know what kind. Yeah,
Are you telling it that?
I'm telling you before I write this shit down.
I know, but also you gotta if you also provide it imperfect context, it can understand that. So if you say like, "Hey, I'm still trying to figure out a name. I don't have it yet, but here's what I have," it'll understand that, and it'll like put guardrails to like not define too much because it knows you're gonna change the name, and then it could even help you with the name change. It could even help you with inspiration to figure it out. So I'm just letting you know how the AI works. The more context you provide it, the better your results are. Because if you try and like teach it like a, if you try and treat it like a kid, where it's like, oh well, the adults are talking. Let the adults figure it out, and then we'll tell you. Like, if you do that, it's not informed enough.
So it's just a lifestyle GPT. What are you saying?
Just literally brain dump. Like, just start typing and don't even worry about the words that. Just like literally start typing. Just saying lifestyle. You don't even have to put sentences, bro. Just put it's a lifestyle app. Wake up, make money. Blah 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 blah. Just start typing it out. And this is the easy part. And you can even ask it and just tell it what you want and just say, "How can you help me?" So don't even ask it for help because you may not even know what you want it to do. Just tell it what you want.
Can you see that?
Oh, yeah, I can. That's perfect.
Okay.
Are you about to play the song in the background for inspiration?
I should.
That's funny. It's like, all right, I'm about to lock in, and then you pull up another tab and play music. That's funny as hell.
Fucking should. This the name of the. This the name of the GPT. Everyday hustle.
There you go. Don't reinvent the wheel. They already created the name, you know? That's a good ass. I like that. Everyday hustle's sick, bro. Honestly, everyday hustle. I might have to steal that. I'm sorry, bro.
Look,
There you
guess
go.
what, bro? We can industrialize this concept, bro. If we make the GPT, we can promote it on just a first Instagram page
Oh, so now you're getting it. Now you're
that
getting
that,
it.
that just links to the GPT
You're so stubborn. All I needed you
and
to
do
do was do
faceless
this, and now you're on the right track.
and do faceless YouTubes all day. But then we can just, you know what I'm saying? Just create a logo for Everyday Hustle, put it on a bunch of faceless inspirational quotes that just lead back to this link in bio.
Yeah, man, it's the Everyday Hustle app, bro. We can start shooting content for it. We start making commercials. You know what I'm saying? Because they need to know what the Everyday Hustle app is, and that's the same thing with Free Label. It's like they need to know what Free Label is, all that shit.
Yeah, bro. This don't have to be wrapped into direct vendetta, but we can make this a whole another, you know what I'm saying, know it all brand for Free Label for the company. So,
I want 20%. Everyday Hustle. This is insane. I wish I was recording this.
Everyday Hustle, like, what do you want? Oh yeah, get back to it. Let the beat drop.
Running back, running back, running back, running back.
Everyday Hustle. We doing this shit every day. We don't take one day off, nigga.
Yo, tell me why I just heard like all these gunshots. But there's like a lot of been a lot of gunshots that have been happening over here. But it's almost like it almost feels like some country shit. Like it feels like they're just shooting because we're in the country, in the woods. But
We don't know that, brother.
but it also kind of sounds like some Al Qaeda shit.
Bro, that should be the most disheartening shit when that should be generating an image and it's like had some issues. Gotta try again. Nigga, just try again.
So the thing about this is that yeah, I don't know. That's weird. They might be down right now. I don't know. Just put the logo later. Just keep working on the model. Say, can we start? Can we work on the instructions? But don't hold on. Don't send it yet. Oh, okay. Never mind. Sure, that works. Um. So look. Take some time. Take some time to like work on it right now, because each don't send a lot of messages because we do have limits on how many messages we could send in an hour. So that's what we do have a limit on.
What's the limit?
I don't know, but there's a limit, and it's usually when I'm building GPTs that I hit the limits. You know, because I'm testing like crazy. But so this is where you want to, yeah, just start typing out as much as you can. You know what I'm saying? Just start brain dumping everything. Like, don't even think. I mean, no, think, but don't overthink. Just like let it all come out. Pause.
Fuck.
So like once it's done, click on the configure tab.
Can you see my baby oil collection?
No.
What if I put the camera this way? Nice.
All right, so click on configure.
You need to make a baby oil t-shirt, huh?
Click on configure on the side, on the
Oh,
top. Damn, can you? I wish you could hop in Riverside.
yeah, man, this shit's good. What the fuck else? What do I need to do?
Click on configure. That so now all it did was do that for you automatically, but you need to do that yourself. You need to tweak that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, dog? So those you can basically you tweak, you know. And then look, you see where it says upload files and canvas. So I will give it canvas and capabilities, and then upload files. This is where you start. Are you on a MacBook? Okay, yeah. So open up text edit, press Command Spacebar, and type in text edit, all one word, and then just click New Document. Okay, and then this is where you type in. You want to build out like anything, or basically it's just honestly what you can do is start either. Okay, this is where you type in mass amounts of information because in the instructions you only have like I think 3,000 characters up there. So if you scroll up, actions, that's where you can write API calls. So then you can like make it talk to like databases and shit. So that's where I have GPTs talking like free label, Trello, things like that through the actions.
Damn.
So that's where you can write your Discord bot too.
Wait, so what instructions? What instructions? All right, daily hustle plans, custom structures.
So yeah, that when you use text edit and you can copy and paste. So right, click on that bottom corner where it says expand on that box you're looking at, the blue box you're looking at. Yeah, right there. So there, now you can see everything. But you only get a limit of like 3,000 characters here, so you can use the upload files, and you can add, you know what I'm saying? You can add the stuff. You can add, you know what I'm saying? You can add more documents and train it.
But so how untrained is this? What do I need to do?
I mean, right now it only has those little things. So what, you know, right where it says not like go to knowledge, get it. So basically, if you click upload files, you can you know upload whatever text edit document you make and save it as a txt file, and then I would I would use honestly I would just use AI to build out a whole be like, hey, yeah, ask it like, I need to make an app, or you know, if you made this app, what would it have? What features would it have? Just ask it, and then just be like, okay, I don't know, like basically what I do is I just load it up with a business plan. Literally,
Yeah.
I give it a business plan. So that's what I'm saying. If you have a plan for everyday hustle, like write it out, write it, create as many documents as you can, and just load the GPT with that, and like add it in the knowledge base. So if you're gonna do that, I would do it on the other side, the preview. I would copy and paste that and put it in the preview.
Hold on.
Exactly. I'd put it in the preview on the other side.
Why?
Because the other one is a builder.
But that's what I'm saying. I needed to like.
No, you're you're looking at the wrong one.
Hold on. I just needed to like kind of know on the backside of what this thing.
So that one right there is you're talking to an untrained AI. You want
Yeah,
to
no, because I don't need it to create a hustle scheme. I needed to kind of just first say what it thinks someone would even talk to it about, and then I'm gonna go in and refine. Like, all right, we need to run that and see how that works.
okay,
Like,
fuck it.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna run the strategies on the right side of what it thinks people would even talk to it about. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
Why did it just do that? I just want it to stay like that.
So I would copy everything and paste it in that text edit, so you have a copy of it just in case it erases it.
Well, all right.
You know you could just swipe four fingers left and right.
I knew he was gonna say that shit.
So that right there, that whole entire thing, you need to paste into the you need to paste into another text edit document and then attach that as a knowledge base to that.
What?
So wherever you found that originally,
Yeah.
yeah, copy that. Okay, now, yeah, right there, copy. So go into text edit, swipe four fingers. I swear to God. Okay, now click Command in. Okay, sure. Paste. File. Save as. Yeah. Um, Instead of rich, name it whatever. Name it uh, yeah, everyday hustle overview or something. Or you can name it whatever. And then where it says file format, save it as a TXT. Yeah, move that to your or save it to somewhere you know where it is. Anyways, TXT. What the fuck? Whatever. Just save it as RTF. But don't. This is only one time. Don't. Yeah. Put it in your desktop or documents. Yeah. Save. So go to GPT. Swipe left for that. Now click on configure. Now go to upload files and then add that right there. Yeah. Trained. Now go to the side and confirm that it's ask it a question based on something that's in there. Just be like, what is in our strategy? Or like, I don't know, what are our core pillars or something, you know?
Start your day like a true hustler. Here's a powerful morning routine to set you up for success. That's dope. Prime your mind, skill and strategy, monetization hustle, 2 to 3 hours, record, edit, and schedule your posts. That's dope, bro. What's your main focus today?
So go scroll up on the configure and open up the instructions real quick. Well, yeah, I mean you can keep playing around with it. But anytime it does something that you think it should do better, go to the instructions and type it in and update the instructions. Be like, always follow up with, you know what I mean? You could put things like always follow up with a question. Always give me a table with a time block, you know, like a calendar and agenda. Always
Where do I put that?
instructions. Scroll up right there.
Right there.
Yeah. So that's where you want to make quick edits. The files are for like big knowledge base shit. But if you want just tweaks where you want to format, say, the style or how many characters or what the format it does, like, do you want it in document style? Do you want a conversational style? You know what I mean? Do you want a report style? Do you want it to use Canvas? That's crazy. You were in the ghetto using Gemini this whole time, thinking you were doing something.
And I just started with Gemini, just cross-examining AI concepts and ideas.
I mean, it's good. It's a good start if you're a beginner for sure. But I'm telling you, so
Like
you,
I just started.
I
I
see.
don't have a
See, you don't even have the Gemini Pro. Like I'm using Gemini Pro.
just started observing it, bro.
It's crazy. I didn't realize how blessed I am. Like I'm using like Plus GPT. I'm using Gemini Pro. Like it's crazy.
Because I don't like certain concepts to. I don't want them to be applied to my thinking model on certain other. Like I already have my Geek Gang model trained to be a uh, design and development agency. Like it only thinks that way. Like you know what I'm saying? Like a high thinking agency. So, or at least that's what I think I trained it to do. And what I asked it to actually start thinking like, but I just don't want to confuse it with like just small thinking idea concepts to cross think, cross develop thinking. I want to just start off with bigger ideas of my conversations instead of just like stress thinking certain shit, just to see where it comes from.
Yeah, I got you.
Like I don't want it to know my whole thinking process when it's giving me answers. I want it to like do whatever else it does.
So what do you? Okay, so at this point, I'm not gonna show you anything more until later. But like, what do you think about this so far? What like based on the little components that you have right now? Not like, oh, how do we do this? How do we like based on what you know right now? Do you how do you feel that you can create? Like, how does this enable you?
Um,
Like, do you think you could you think you can hustle with this basically? I mean, it's still too early, you know.
bro, I'm saying even just with this everyday hustle, what's another good logo maker? I need to go.
Dude, I haven't used Mid Journey in so long. I never realized how loud it is outside. Damn, there's planes, freaking lawn guys, helicopters. I'm trying to get good studio quality, man. Oh, you know that's crazy.
Right.
My homie has a brand called Everyday Hustle. I just thought about that. But
For real?
yeah, but he shortened it to like every day without it's missing one letter. It's like every day, every.
All right.
If I sent you like a live stream, what what's like more would you click it more if it was on Twitch or on YouTube?
more if it was Twitch or YouTube.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a split in reality, bro. People haven't committed to stream watching as much yet in the older ages. Like young people, they already
Have
the
Twitch.
young people are already being integrated into YouTube Shorts and YouTube Live. But the younger middle-aged adults, like 21 to 27, they're very avid on Twitch. So Twitch is killing themselves.
I mean, I don't see how Twitch can get. Twitch seems like for example, I see the certain creators, right? And they all kind of share the same fan base. So whenever, say everybody will be watching like Benny X or somebody will be in whatever stream, but then when Blackboy Max comes on, everyone leaves like and goes to Blackboy Max's stream, and it'll be like you'll see the live numbers, it'll cut in half. And then one time, homie was like, "Yo, what the fuck?" Because even DDG was like, "Yo, why don't my shit uh, cut down?" And it was because basically, yeah, I think Blackboy went live and DDG went from like 6,000 down to like 2,000, and I think he did reels on it. And he was talking about it.
I mean, yeah, I think that's part of the problem too. It is like all shared fan bases on Twitch, whereas YouTube is like I'm pretty sure there's shared fan bases, but it's like it's more like
I can't.
it's a whole worldwide appeal. It's a larger audience that finds things on algorithm strategic placement because the discovery bar is not as placed in the same way. So if we got a site where it's like only 100 people on it, but all of their activity is on the discovery page, then whenever those 5 or 10 people at that moment are live, then we all can see that and we skip around. But if there's a million people and there's not like a broad discovery page, or there's like 100 people on it one time, and then it's like an algorithmic placed discovery page, but mainly people don't use that because it's a different model, bro. Like everything doesn't go through a discovery page on YouTube the same way that online streaming discovery is on Twitch. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I'm sure there's a back way of looking at all the people you follow that are live right now on YouTube, but it's not the direct homepage as Twitch is.
Yeah.
Because it's about going live and then watching your friends go live, which is why it's dumb that they haven't fully integrated collaborative streaming as well. Like I think they're playing with a beta right now, but you know. I don't know, bro. The fuck?
Hold on, Cassie. 906.
That's why everyone who gets popular on Twitch, like they're hit with a proposition to like get serious and stay on Twitch because they read. It's like they're already like they start off in a slave deal. You know what I'm saying? And you just have to fucking slave through that shit to start getting paid. Like they renegotiate your partnership deal. But even that is still like a limited thing because you see they're limiting the creative hours now that everybody's willing to do 24-hour streams and shit.
Yeah.
Like
Wait, what'd you say?
Especially since their model is about getting on and showing everyone else how to get on and tax the system.
Yeah.
Like if there was a quicker way to make money on free label instead of the natural way of utilizing the site and making extra affiliate dollars, we would be taxed out if people started, you know what I'm saying? You know, because the streaming power on Twitch, bro, is like you pay for streams, bro.
Mm-hmm.
You pay for viewers and all that type of shit, and then you hit the numbers, and then you're able to up your contract. They know that. They know that's the community's secret. You know what I'm saying? Every site is able to analyze the data and see the spurs and why shit really happens. But they just hope that it's a viable person manipulating the system like that for, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because
Bro,
80% of the people who buy that shit just to get permissions, they're not gonna stream consistently and professionally as much as Kai anyways. But the people that do, they still make a moderate amount that's like where they wanted to, where people, it's like the shit, they make content that people want to see on Twitch.
yeah.
But whenever you got people that like make shit that people don't want to see on Twitch, even when it's pimping the algorithm to put it in front of people, they're like, okay, bro, why does it say so many people watching your shit? We don't like watching your shit. We can't imagine a real audience likes watching your shit. But we got to pay you $2,000 this month?
Crazy.
But it's there in black and white. It's like contractually we have to. Fuck our opinion. You have this metrics. You know what I'm saying? Fuck how you feel. I got 1 million views on my profile.
Damn. It's a whole lot of views.
You know what I'm saying? It's like I gotta get paid, bro.
Why does it say Alex's screen? I wanted to say that. Oh, whatever.
And like I say, that's when you get caught, bro, for being exceptional consistently. The first 9 months that you're fucking scraping by, just scooping out $1,200 a month, being moderate,
Bro,
they don't see.
how have you tested the GPT yet? You should publish it.
Trying to make a fucking logo.
Bro, fuck the logo. You don't even need the logo. You need the GPT. Open up ChatGPT real quick. Damn, what was I doing? I was doing something. Oh yeah, drop off.
Let's do it. Let's do that shit.
All right, so go. Yeah. Give it a lot of padding. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, make it smaller so it can center into the logo better. Otherwise, it's gonna look oversized on the when you upload it to GPT. I'm gonna shoot somebody. This is crazy. Bro, come on. I don't have time. I can't have. Like, you can do the logo anytime. You gotta, like, leverage me. You know what I'm saying? You gotta leverage my time, bro.
Fucking creating history here, bro. And you think
Bro,
you
fuck
don't
that.
have time for that?
Bro, just fuck the logo. I'm trying to. Bro, I need to show you the rest of AI modeling. This is not a designing a logo is not AI engineering. Oh my god, Jesus!
See, wish.
I just sent you my stream and it says AI engineering on my live stream, and you're designing a fucking logo. See how I said make it smaller? Because it's gonna look crowded in the thing. But anyways, look, you can worry about that later. Jesus. Okay, so now what you okay? Look, what you're gonna do now is now that you have an AI, right? You're gonna make your AI smarter. You get it? So what you're gonna do is no, go to the preview, and then what you're gonna say is you're gonna start talking because you're kind of done with the create one. You don't want to talk to the create one anymore. The create one is cool, but it's all like you don't even want to go into create anymore. You want to go to configure and just never go back into create. Um, the create is for like beginners and little kids. So basically, what you're gonna do is go to preview, and then you're gonna start saying, "Hey, if you were an AI, or I don't know, actually, so I would say start figuring out your target audience, and start talking to the AI about your target audience." You know what I'm saying? So I would build out a document on your target audience, your demographics, things like that, what you're kind of focused on, history, things like that, that kind of build the brand mission and the vision. So I'd build out a document that has that. Once you build it, and then upload that doc and use the Everyday Hustle app to do it. So don't, and before you do anything, go up to that corner and click create and save that shit. Save it before you fucking, no. The other one, the black corner in the top right. Yeah. Just click only me or anyone with the link. So basically, oh yeah, you can sell these GPTs in the store too. I forgot you can do that. So with that being said, I forgot what I was going to next. But yeah, so now you have that, right? Um oh no, you weren't supposed to exit the editor, but click on the top where it says Everyday Hustle, the corner of the chat. Click on Edit GPT. And then that's where you so start working on your or you can keep working on the concept. So just tell it what would you want people to do when they get in this application, and then have it listed out. So and then you kind of validate it and clean it up, and then you just like I said, go back to into text edit, paste it, save it, upload it to the GPT, and then you just keep training it. Keep training that motherfucker. See, those are starters. I would copy that and put it into the instructions. And that's way too long. That's good info right there. Paste that. I would copy that and put it into the instructions.
What do you mean?
Take that last one, copy, and then
Put
paste.
it in here?
Yeah.
But why? What is it gonna do?
Because if you put stuff in there, that doesn't do anything. That doesn't train it. That's for the user to come in and just click a button.
Yeah, no, I already put it in here though. Remember the business plans and create daily actionable goals, and then I put it as like a button they can use to take a first maybe.
Oh, well, okay.
But I just put it in the back, and it's like the fifth one. It's not even here.
Because it only shows you four at a time.
Right. So what does it do as a fifth or sixth option? What does that do?
Not really sure. Kind of just goes away. Because it only shows you four. You know, I don't work at OpenAI. I can't really tell you why they did that. They should have a little scrolly bar thing, but you know, hey, I'm not a front end developer. Oh wait, wait. You know what you should do? You should tell it to play. You should tell it the very first thing should do is open that song and play it.
Nah. I don't want to narrow the demographic too much.
No, bro. This is you need, bro. Fuck. The niches are in the riches. The niches are in the riches, brother. The niches are in the riches. Bro, come on. The niches are in the riches. Wait, no. The riches are in the niches. What did I say?
The riches are in the niches.
Yeah, the riches are in the niches. Close that
How
and
do I get the money out of those N words?
Close that and delete it forever.
Huh?
Oh, and see, I don't even want to get you started on the other shit. So that's where I said you would learn code. You learn code to write code to add code to this bot. You get it? Don't waste no tokens on that dumbass question.
Wait, what?
I can teach you how to create. Okay, so go to Google real quick. Type in DigitalOcean functions. There you go, functions. Click on that. Blocks of code that run on demand without the need to manage any infrastructure. Develop on your local machine, test your code from the command line, and then deploy it to production. Do you know what that means?
No.
Damn. Okay, basically functions are blocks of code, okay? So that just means 3 lines of code, right? And that line of code can be like, okay, fetch the latest prize picks, fetch fetch the weather, fetch the time.
All right, I got all that now.
So wait, scroll back up. And then without the need to manage any infrastructure. So that means you just write the code, the line of code, test it locally, and then just run another, like you just upload it basically, and then it gives you a URL, and then bam, it's up. Like no servers, no nothing, no nothing. So that it's called serverless functions basically. So that means you can run these lines of code and deploy them and make them public. So scroll down, yeah, like click the first one, like, oh, see, you can schedule functions so they can run on a schedule. So you can run them every hour or whatever. You can trigger them and have them fire off by a Discord bot. Click on where it says functions JavaScript. Yeah, click that right there. So scroll down. Look for any code. Yeah, there you go. So that's exactly what. That's it. That's all you have to do. Ignore that. Ignore that. That stuff doesn't matter. But really, yeah, that right there. So where it says function, that's exactly the stuff you would write. So look, return an image, return an HTTP.
What does that mean?
Basically, you can just return shit like return data, return like what did you, you know? I'm trying to think. Okay, what did you want to happen in your app?
What does return something mean?
Like when you hit an API endpoint, it gives you data back, and you can use that data in your chat GPT, you can use it in your website, you can use it in your mobile app.
All right, so you're saying create an AI agent from the GPT we just created?
No, you already created the AI agent, right? So now you need that AI agent to be able to, like, you gave it the
So
ability.
Everyday Hustle is the AI agent or what?
Yes, Everyday Hustle is the AI agent.
So now I need to give it some actions to connect and do.
Yes, right now you gave it the ability to think.
So how do I brainstorm with the AI to create actions that I would
Ask it. Don't ask me.
ask it just directly through here, or
Straight
ask it
up.
through another GPT?
Ask it right there, because now, don't. I would, if I were you, I would never go back to any other regular GPT. I would just focus on Everyday Hustle. Because remember what I said? If it doesn't work for you, then it doesn't work at all.
All right, so now how do I integrate this into a Discord?
Ask it. How do I integrate you into a Discord? How can I integrate you, a custom GPT, into Discord? Because sometimes I'm kind of curious if these AIs know that they're AIs.
You can integrate me into a Discord server in a few different ways. Oh, shit.
Okay, it knows it's an AI. Okay. That's kind of risky. Do these AIs know that they're AIs? Do the AIs know that they are AIs? That's a really big thing. If AIs know that they're AIs, that could be the end of humanity. See, a webhook. That's what I said to you yesterday. Webhooks are probably going to be the most simple thing. And you can connect the web. So a webhook is going to ask for a URL, right? The webhook is going to ask for a URL. Well, guess what? You make your own URL by using a DigitalOcean function. So whenever you deploy your function, DigitalOcean gives you a URL, and then you copy that and paste that URL into Discord, and then there's your Discord bot. Bam. Don't play with me right now. This is insane.
Damn, so I'll make it moving.
No, you don't do that. So go click on settings, go to webhooks, scroll down, look for webhooks, advanced.
I gotta make a new server.
No. Wait, go back to GBT. No, OpenAI. Scroll up. What did it say? Hold on. Best reason why. Hold on. Don't. If you don't want to.
Bro, I need to create a new Discord server.
Hold on. Create a webhook. Wait, go back. It says right there. Hold on. Create a webhook under channel settings. Under channel settings. So go to channel settings in Discord.
In your Discord server.
Yeah, but go to any Discord.
In your Discord server, bro. I have to create a new Discord server for Everyday Hustle. I already know. I know how to do this shit in RapCap. I need to create. I don't know how to fucking create a new server real quick.
I was just saying grab one that you already have.
I know you were. But I gotta create a new one, bro. Fuck. I do this shit every fucking time.
Bro, you just scroll down on your sidebar and click the plus sign on your friends.
Oh, I don't know why.
Jesus. I'm like, what are you doing? He didn't really I should have said something. I was watching you do this and fucking fussing.
Yeah, bro. I'm just like, just tell me how to do, because I couldn't think of that shit right now. I do that shit every time. Like, all right. So first, I need to create the webhook.
Server settings. Server settings. So scroll down where it says
make the channel.
Integrations. Webhooks. Captain Hook. Oh, posting the general. Oh, see, I guess that is that outgoing though. I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. I have to.
You know what? Here, wait, go back. Click delete that one. So click. You know what? Click. No. You're already building one. Click on the Captain Hook one.
What is this?
That's basically what we're gonna. That's what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna be building your own webhook anyway. That's what I said. Like, don't worry about that. Click on that. Copy webhook URL. Open up a new tab and paste it. So those are, that's what I'm talking about. These are endpoints. So that is what you would create. These are endpoints that talk to each other. So like that right there. Go to your channel, use a service like Zapier to send messages to the webhook. So that is so now, okay, that's not what you want, but now you're starting to see how webhooks work. So that's an incoming webhook. So that means like that's an incoming Discord webhook. So that means anything going to Discord incoming, it's gonna post into Discord. So you need an outgoing webhook, but that's where like I don't think Discord has that. I think that's where Telegram has that. That's why people have been building bots in Telegram, and that makes so much sense. So you might need to build a Telegram bot.
I have seen that, so I thought I was just skipping. So I'm like, there's not many people building them over here. Okay.
Yeah, I guess that's the reason why. I mean, I'm finding out as you go too. You know, that's why I said. That's literally why I told you I wanted to learn this shit with you, because we can figure this shit out. You know what I'm saying? Like we're equal in this.
I got some data and shit too that I gotta reverse engineer what I've seen too, because I've seen behind the wall. I don't know what all that shit means yet. So I'm just I'm going from what, it's like when someone looks in a fucking candy store, like they're looking at the candy that they see. The main person is like, no, I'm gonna tell you about the register. But part of the information, how to get the registered, is like I had to know, look behind the lollipop area. I gotta know what lollipops are. Like, I see what I see is that shiny to me.
I feel it.
To get the bag. So all the most other stuff is like candy words that I've noticed that you're kind of telling me where the real importance is. So whatever I think I noticed is not as important as the bag. I didn't know that, but I know some shit. So, and that's why I was like watching some videos how to do that shit right now. All right, so
Okay, so don't worry about. So at least this can send messages. So this right here. So now you know, you can be like, hey, send me. You can be like, can you? Oh, okay, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Let's actually use this webhook. Look, let's use the webhook. Hey, honestly, let's do this. This is gonna be revolutionary. Fuck all the bullshit. No. Don't worry about that. Delete that. Delete that. This is what you want to do. Let's build the action right now. Let's just dive right in, bro. Let's get you right into it. Say, write me a custom GPT action for a to send this. I so basically what you can do is use this. So you log into Everyday Hustle and be like, hey, write a message in Discord and let everybody know this announcement. So then you can write it up in this GPT and then it'll post it into the Discord for everyone.
I mean, that's what I wanted to do. Like, essentially, I want this to put a motivational quote every day to Discord to alarm people to come into their Discord and devise their daily schedule.
So right now you would have to run that manually through Everyday Hustle GPT. You'd have to run that manually, which is fine, right? Because it's already handling enough work. But eventually, yeah, we can move
so
this.
Look, I'm making the server set up.
So we can yeah.
So now it's gonna tell me the best ideas of how I should set it up, and then I'll just add my shit on top of these Zapier webhooks.
Look, how about this? Look, copy this entire thing. Copy it. Don't even do anything else. Copy it. Copy it. Just oh, it's not even done. So scroll down. Just stop. Like, bro, don't even just whatever you're doing. Stop what the fuck you're doing, bro. I promise you. I'm trying to teach you something. Scroll down. Oh my god, is it done? Okay, copy. Click that little copy button. Now click on Edit GPT.
Wait, why?
Because I promise, just stop what you're doing. Don't even do anything else. Go to Edit. Open up Text Edit real quick. No. Yeah. Go to Text Edit. The app on your computer. Now create a new. Bam. And then name it Discord strategy or some shit. I don't know. Sure. You can just click the name at the top where it says Untitled 2. You could have just typed that in, by the way. Just letting you know. Little shortcuts.
Yeah, they short all right.
All right, save that to your desktop and then or whatever. And then upload that to the GPP. Upload it to the GBT.
Gips.
Chat GBT. Bro, what's taking so long?
Wait, what? Upload it here?
Yeah. Sorry, I think in see you didn't save it to your desktop. I be thinking in terms of like, did you save it as a RTF? Okay, cool, whatever. I be thinking in terms of like AI speed. So like when I see things not moving fast, you know what I'm saying? I kind of like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, impatient. Patience is a virtue.
Bro, patience is stupid. All right.
You gotta be virtuous.
All right, so go back to the conversation that you were having with the Oh well, it's not trained on the shit, so you have to start a new conversation for it to be trained on the Discord. But don't worry about that. Just go back to the other GPT. But so scroll down on the side. Yeah, right there. Go back. Yeah, integrate into Discord. Bam. So then just keep having your conversation there. But again, um, damn, I forgot what I told you to do before this. Oh yeah, I was telling you to start learning how to make the actions, but I don't think you're ready for that shit. So we'll just keep it. We'll keep it. This is enough. I don't want to overload you right now.
Yeah. We good. We good, bro. I'm finna go make a community and shit. I'm gonna actually execute this shit before I do some next shit.
But do you see why I've been bugging you about this shit?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm trying to tell you, like, bro, like, if you build this shit, like everything you're talking about, you have all these great ideas. Just keep throwing it into the everyday hustle app or the GPT. And then what I would do is all these files that you're making on the text edit, I would save them into a folder and then keep editing them in local, keep editing, keep editing them locally, and then just keep re-uploading new versions to the GPT to keep your GPT like smart, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes when you have valuable conversations with the GPT, snapshot it, save it, and then upload it to the GPT, and then bam, like, you know? Like,
Yeah.
because then you're using AI to train AI. And that's like what that will literally end world that will end the world basically. You know what I'm saying? They're saying that if AIs learn how to train each other and shit, then the world's gonna be taken over. So I don't know what to say.
Mm. Speed it up.
Exactly. Tomorrow 1 p.m. 11, 12, 1. Damn, 2 hours? Fuck. Uh Chief Development Officer. Chief Development Officer. What is that? What is a Chief Development Officer?
All right. So that's it. Function node. Create the damn server.
Oh, okay. I hope that this is not a CT. This is not a CTO. CDO. Okay, cool. Yeah. So what?
Everyday hustle like we. Yeah. Everyday hustle like William. I'm charging the chicken just for the face. I get in that kitchen, I cook up the work. I go berserk. Go out and get it, secure the city, just sit like the time. Just don't want my free bad man. This paper coming
Okay, see, that guy is using Discord. So Discord has their own bot platform, but it's kind of like, I mean, you can use it, but it's kind of like separate from everything that's going on, if that makes sense. Like, it's still, it's still like, for example, like they made this shit on their own, you know, and it's kind of in their own ecosystem. But like the tools that people are using now are so much more lightweight, um, and easier and faster. But Discord does have their own bot, but it's kind of within their ecosystem. You have to use.
So you know about forking and hosting bots or what?
I know the science. I know the computer science behind it. I haven't actually done it myself.
So there's not an easy way to integrate OpenAI's bot thought process into Discord.
100 million%. Wait, you're talking about having it where you can chat to it? I think right now, the easiest way to do it is through Telegram because I think Telegram allows you to send webhook. I don't know how they do it. I don't know if they do it through an API or if Telegram. I don't know, but people do it. I saw some girl do it really easy.
See here. So today we will be making an AI chatbot in shape.in.
So yeah, there you
I
go.
made the videos on it many times in the past.
I hope I solved your.
It made a ton of changes, so we will be making an updated version. First, join shape.in. The link will be in the description. You can join them if you have any questions. Now go to the shape.in website. The link is in the description. Just click create shape on top right. Now you have to fill out the details for like name and description. You can come up with any random story you want, or just copy mine. After everything is over, just click create pop-up. Now scroll down and click Discord developer portal. It will take you to this page. You can go back
Here,
to
real quick though, can you do me a favor?
and follow them in Discord portal. As it says to click new
Can you open up Free Label real quick now that I can see your screen? Just go to Elon, or no, yeah, just go to Free Label. Okay, and then scroll down. Bam, log in. Bam. Charlie, come here. And then, so right there on the side where it says, what would you like to do? Type in like, find a designer. You can keep it zoomed in how it was. It looks kind of cinematic. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, type in like, find a designer. Yeah, so those are all actions. They're called call to actions, but I'm gonna rename it and rebrand it and call them actions on Free Level. So they're basically like shortcuts or actions, you know. So look at that. What do you think about that?
Dope.
And look, and then it searches profiles too. So now it's searching profiles on the marketplace too. So this is where we can start pushing our influencer marketplace. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I need to add their @ signs in there too, because it just says their name. You don't even know.
No, okay.
You gotta click the name.
So that's what you need to add. You can click the picture and it does something.
Yeah. It's just because on mobile, it's like, yeah. Nothing loaded. Weird.
That's it. Support designer. View premium feed. And then when I press back, it doesn't go back to what I had it searched at. That's upset.
Hey, man, you know, these are all features. These are all nice to have. Would love to have.
I don't want to hear that. Just be like, well noted. We're changing that.
Charlie.
3 3 words, man. Well noted, sir. That's all.
One. Was it 12? Charlie, hold on.
Well, that's what's up.
So yeah, it's using. Hi Cassie, this is Alex Mayo. I didn't get the Zoom invite or the call invite. Could you resend
Hey,
it
who
to my
provides
email,
this
please?
service? You or
Thanks.
someone else? Or AI or what?
What'd you say?
Who provides this service, this design service?
I had a certain guy that I had met on Fiverr and built a relationship with him off of Fiverr.
And he did these specific designs?
Yeah. Charlie. Yeah, because I gotta find a creator that's I gotta follow that. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
one, I gotta find a I don't want to give off the sauce, but like, look, one, I find a designer that has really good work. Because think about it, if his work is good, the service on free label is gonna look good. You know, because if we have a shitty designer with shitty work and then you post the work, you post the thumbnail is gonna look like shit. This thumbnail looks dope as fuck. So if you find a good designer with good work, you just lock him in, lock in a deal, and be like, hey, blah 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 blah, and like, okay, cool. So I can guarantee, like, yeah, if you buy this service, you're gonna get work that looks like this because, like, that's what we're marketing. We're marketing how good this looks, and we want to share that style with other people for a price. I should make that a spinning globe.
Bro, I want to create another profile for.
Go to RapCap. You didn't go to RapCap.
I don't see it.
Bro.
It's all right here. I want to create another one for Everyday Hustle, bro. Like just another bar, and it could be a bunch of just daily creatives. Like Everyday Hustle will really be what this Open Thoughts with Drewski is. This is not rap. You see what I'm saying?
Sure.
Everything else is pretty cool. But things that are more social media creators, Everyday Hustle.
Look, click on that. Click on that stream.
Dripping all the sauce out on live.
Damn right. Damn right, nigga. Yeah, I'll put fucking phone numbers on there and everything. What's up? Bro, you don't even subscribe. That's fucked up. See, this it be your own people, bro. It literally be your own people. You didn't subscribe though? That's crazy. At least they got Black Boy Max in the related. Damn. Hey. 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 All right, so yeah.
All right, that's it for the day, bro. I gotta make beats.
Bro,
Man,
my day is just getting started. That was just a warm up for me. I'm about to get in.
2 hours a day.
I'm about to get into the.
2 hours per 2 hour shift towards
As you can see, my stream.
internet development.
As you can see, my stream that was only you know.
Well, I've been beating off to this shit since 7 this morning, bro.
I did not. Oh, yeah.
Do. I gotta make a beat like that.
Why don't you hop on stream?
Hmm?
Why don't you hop on stream?
Because
I literally have it in my calendar to be streaming right now.
yeah, I know.
He said, "Yeah, no. What the fuck? The fuck you got going on?" See, it's niggas like you, bro.
I don't think niggas like me.
I was waiting. I wanted to see your response on that.
Niggas really be hating, bro. Niggas think it's niggas like me, but niggas really be hating.
Okay, register. Why am I doing this bullshit? Hold on, hold on. Like enough tech shit. I gotta get back to this rap shit.
Everyday hustle.
Everyday hustle. All right, so bam, send registration request. Redirect. Time up. Sorry.
That's it, man.
Did Everyday Hustle tell you to make beats right now?
Yeah.
No, but like if it didn't tell you to make beats, and that means something's. If it didn't tell you to make beats right now, then that means something's wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? Like you got to keep training it. It has to know. It's like, yo, stop working on me. Go make some shit.
No, that's true.
You know. And then it should like create a plan for you. Like once you make the beat, like what do you do with it? You know,
So
like
you're saying I'm smarter than AI?
no, okay, this is what I'm saying. You need to tell the AI and be like, hey, you also need to be a beat manager. You know, like so like I just want to go in the studio and make beats. Can you be my beat manager? Like, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, okay, you make the beats and then it it does the rest. It like tells you, okay, like upload it to the store, run this ad, create this reel. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
A beat manager, like a producer manager. Bro, that's crazy. I'm genius. See, that's the thing. That's the thing about me. Oh, bro, I just made the AI. Oh my god, I just made the bro. Oh my god. Okay, I just made the AI. I just made it like I just said upload content, and then it took me to the uploader. You don't even have to find the button anymore, bro. What if I tell it I want to make beats? We need a beat store on Free Label.
It says instrumentals.
Oh yeah, we do have a beat store. Oh my god, see, I don't even know what we have on Free Label. I completely forgot we have a. If you go to, oh my god, it's right here. I thought I was gonna have to type in a link. It's literally right here. It says Marketplace, Services, Instrumentals, and Studios. Oh my god, we have a Studios Marketplace? Bro, I really forgot about this shit. Well, the producer marketplace is not working. Oh my god. Dude, I forgot we have a Studios Marketplace, bro. What? No. Bro, you know what that means? Bro, if I already have all this stuff already here, then that means we can just bro, that means I could just use AI and have it do all this shit already, bro. Like, oh my god. I could literally just have AI. Oh my god, man. I could literally just have AI do this shit, bro. Oh my god. I'm like, I'm at a loss for words right now, man. I already have the bare bones of this already built. Yo, we need to get this. We need to get the Studios Marketplace in the pipeline, bro. Where? Why is it not in Trello? Why is nobody
Ask
talking?
Everyday Hustle.
Huh?
Ask Everyday Hustle.
He said, "Ask Everyday Hustle." Launch studios and photographer location base. Okay, cool. You know what? Bam! I'm throwing that in the pipeline. We're working on it. got that done. Direct outreach, book interview guests, implement services, enable. Okay. Yeah, okay, so the studios and the services marketplace, um, yeah, man. Oh my God, this is getting crazy. I didn't realize we had this services marketplace there. So can I book a studio session right there? Bam. Oh my God, I can book a studio session just like that. No, I didn't even realize I had this. Okay, Ghost. I need you to make a studio booking app.
What do you mean?
A studio booking app.
What do you mean?
Where you can book a studio. You know what I'm saying? You can book us. Like I have the whole database of all the studios, so we just need a new interface where we can book studios. Oh my God, it works right here. I think it still works. You can still pay like this? Oh my God. This is unreal. This is unreal. Bro, it still works, Ghost. So can I train the AI on this? No. No. Hold on. Stop. You know, it's so crazy because having a website this long, I've kind of forgotten everything that's in it. Like it's 6 years old almost, 7 years old. Don't tell me this is open. Okay, so open AI. Oh my God, search studios marketplace. Call to action, search studio, search. Call to actions. Studios. All right, studios. I don't think I have anything for studios. So I need to make a new model for studios. Fuck, I can't be doing this right now. Maybe I can. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. That's crazy. You're making a beat and I'm making a model. All right, so studio. And then I'm going to replicate.
Oh shit! So you can see all this shit? Is this like brain rot content?
Basically, but I'm not streaming it because you have to be in Riverside. You should be in Riverside right now. You want to hop in Riverside? Here, just hop in Riverside because this will be way easier. Because then I don't have to worry about your screen. It'll all be already be going. Here, hop in Riverside on your phone. Okay. Search studios. So then studios and venues. So do studios, right? Well, let's kind of work with this one. And then we'll make an API resource. Code. We'll do PHP artisan, make controller, studios controller, resource. Bam. Single studios, resource controller. And we want it to work just like the, which one did I just copy again? Call to action. So I'll kind of copy the call to action controller. So go here, paste this one in there. And then we'll trim the fat. Yeah, because all I wanted was that search. Okay, so bam, set range. Looks good. No, not call to action. We want the studio. Okay, that looks good. So Postman. Oh, need the resource. So content routes. And we'll do venues. Oh, I already created one for venues. Oh my God, don't tell me I already did this. Wow, venues already exist. Ooh, venues already exist. Okay, so go here, search venues. We'll just keep venues and studios separate. Okay, so venues, studios. Okay.
Yeah, it's not connected.
The hell? Okay, so bam, right? So then I got studios, venues.
Yeah, it's not connected, bro.
Strange. We'll figure it out in a little bit. That's weird though. That's not good. Damn. So yeah, I have a studios event. So supposedly I already have venues and shit already in here. No, no, join mine, nigga. What the heck? What's wrong? How come mine's not working?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, here. I'm literally in this bitch right now. Invite. Look. Oh, you know what? I know what I did wrong. Here. Click that link. I just sent to you. Who's Alex?
Fucking up my creative flow, bro.
Yes, yeah, it may have been, I don't know what happened there. Yeah, I was looking into it. Okay, yeah, I'll look into that. I'll have that figured out. But yeah, I got this stuff. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I'll be in there in that I guess an hour and a half or so. Yeah. Sweet. All right. Thanks. Bye. You go, Charlie. Yo, like close the app and open it back up again because I can't hear you.
Not even saying nothing.
Oh, I can hear you now. Okay, so I'm confused on that. So if I do host, no, if I do an AI controller studio, bro, everything I ever did in the past makes so much sense. It's so crazy. Like I built all these database models like years and years ago, and now everything just feeds right into an API, which goes into the AI. How did I know? How did I know? Okay. Description must be a string. What the fuck? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Name has been declared in the schema. What? It is in the schema. So now I gotta create. Huh? City, state. City. City, state, zip code, type. We have the type. Paste a zip code. I guess the email could go in there too. So email, I guess Instagram. Oh, these are all really valuable. Main equipment. That's a lot of shit to put in there though. But it does need to be searchable and that stuff. Okay, so let's go to Open AI. So if I go to Postman, I do that request again. No, I gotta do the Ask Elon. Bam. Studios. Couldn't find title in the schema. On what? Hmm. There. Cool. So now I can say look at that Union Recording Studio. Bam. Book a studio session. Services. Bam. This is insane. $200 tokens. 300 tokens for all that. That's insane. 300 tokens for that. Deploy it. Get it up. All right. Login. We need that one. Need that one. Not sure about that one. Okay, deploy that to prod. And then deploy Elon. And deploy the marketing. Everything is up to date. Okay, cool. Let's get it. So that means Elon is now searching for venues too. But is it even going to return any venues? That's the question. And then, so it says creator marketplace. This is about to get sick nasty if I do this and it works. Studio marketplace search results. Studio marketplace search results. Studio marketplace. And then go here, add the studios marketplace. Studios marketplace. Venues? Or the studios? The studios. I need to put that in sync though. I need to get that in sync. Okay, so studios, right? That's fine. Studios is empty. Venues. There's 51 venues in there. No, 51. So I have 51 in there, 51 in here. It's weird. Cubase SQL insert. Go to Delta Group. Everyone close your eyes. This is database information. Okay, and then we're going to open up a query console. What's up with that? Come on, open up. Right click. New query console. So let's hit this hoe. Insert into venues. We ready? How about this? Oh shit. Let's do this first. Okay, let's do this first. Select all from venues. Just, something easy, slight. Okay, it's there. There's nothing there. So now let's run this. Insert, pause, insert, pause. No homo. No diddy. All right. Did it run? Okay, cool. So I think it worked. So look, select all from venues. We'll just select this one. Bam. Run that one. Run it. Cool. So now Chrome, Postman, do search venues. And this is on production. It should show empty. It should show empty, but now it shows stuff, which is good. So now it's showing stuff. So now we can research. All right. And one studio pops up on production. Cool. So now I need Los Angeles Recording Studio. So what if I say Phoenix? Cool, Phoenix, Arizona's popped up. Yeah. All right, cool. So now, oh, I'm so stupid. So now let's check. Dev.elon. Phoenix Studios. Bucket does not exist. Okay, what's one that does exist? Paramount. What about, oh, yeah, Paramount. Paramount Studios. Oh. Oh my God, call, bro. Charlie, come here. Why is no one fucking answering? This is great. Okay, so okay, paid service. So content, service, ID. So yeah, that whole thing right here. Okay, studio. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Give me something, give me something. Nothing. It is defined. What the fuck is going on? Studio ID. Studio is not referenced. Studio. Oh, is it returning an error? That's probably what it is. Duh. It's returning an error. It's not returning anything. There it is. 500. Whatever, I can figure this out later. But Studios Marketplace exists, and it's going to come back. Paramount Studios. Ask. Oh. Whatever. This is dope. I want to get the Studios Marketplace working. Studios Marketplace is probably going to come back real soon. It's right here, and I like this interface way better than what we've ever had. So I'm definitely going to bring it back and put it in this interface so it looks nice and fancy, and people can actually enjoy it. So I definitely want to get that back up. Definitely will get that back up. Look, boot camp for the kids. You know what I'm saying? We care about the kids. No Diddy. Yeah, so if you want to join, we could do a kid boot camp, teach kids how to code and build AI agents. I think that'd be super dope. I want to, again, no Diddy. I want to show kids how to code and build AI agents and do all the stuff that I'm trying to get my homies to do, but they're a little too, a little too old. But now, I just feel like the platform's there. The platform's there. So if I market services, I can market creators. Hey, create an account on free level, blah, 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 blah. They do it. Cool. So that's a big thing. And yeah, just making it super easier to do stuff. So I got an AI here. I have an AI working right here. And then I have an AI working right here on the create profiles. But it's only on the onboarding. So it's like an onboarding assistant. Definitely got to get that rolling. So if you haven't already, create an account on Free Label and try this stuff out. It's pretty dope. It's really, 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 really dope. And it's just gonna get doper. So, man. The uploader works really cool. Um, Test gallery. Let me see. Oh, I guess I needed a photo for the cover. Sure. Pretty slow uploader. I wonder how big the video was. Oh, it was like 200 gigs. That's what, or 200 megabytes. Mm. 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 I was close. I was close. All right. Well, yeah. Would you look at that? Um, got some things to test. Got some things to fix. But oh well. All right, I got stuff to do. I gotta get ready for stuff. Gotta get ready for a meeting. Good shit. Good shit, everybody. Good. Go team. Go team. Go team. Go team.